Hey, what's up, AI enthusiasts? It's Pacey AI here, and today I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to Superhuman, the AI-powered email client that's revolutionizing how we handle our inboxes in 2025. This isn't just another email app, it's a productivity powerhouse that uses artificial intelligence to help you achieve inbox zero faster than ever before. Before we dive deep into this game-changing tool, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Pacey AI, and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily AI tool reviews and tutorials. Let's get into it. Superhuman is taking email management to the next level with its AI-first approach that learns your communication patterns and priorities. The platform uses machine learning to automatically sort your emails, highlight the most important messages, and even suggest quick responses based on your writing style. What makes it truly special is its speed. Everything from opening emails to sending replies happens in milliseconds, and the AI continuously optimizes your workflow by learning from your behavior patterns and email habits. Getting started with Superhuman is surprisingly straightforward, though it does require an onboarding session with their team to customize the experience for your specific needs. Once set up, you'll discover features like AI-powered email triage that automatically categorizes messages, smart scheduling that finds optimal meeting times, and predictive text that completes your sentences. The keyboard shortcuts are incredibly intuitive. You can navigate your entire inbox without ever touching your mouse, making email management feel more like a video game than a chore. Teams are seeing incredible results with Superhuman's collaborative features, including shared templates, team insights that show response times and email patterns, and AI-powered follow-up reminders that ensure nothing falls through the cracks. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Slack, Notion, and calendar applications, while maintaining enterprise-grade security and privacy standards. Whether you're a busy executive, a sales professional, or part of a fast-moving startup, Superhuman's AI capabilities can dramatically reduce the time you spend managing email while improving your response quality and speed. If you're ready to transform your email experience with Superhuman's AI-powered features, definitely give that like button a smash, share this video with anyone who's drowning in their inbox, and subscribe to Pacey AI with notifications turned on so you never miss another cutting-edge AI tool review. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below if you're planning to try Superhuman, or if there's another AI productivity tool you want me to cover next. That's a wrap for today. I'm Pacey AI, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay productive and keep exploring the future of AI.